Hey, I'm Chris.
Hey, I'm Curtis.
And we're the dig team, A-team.
18.
That's right. I met Curtis about 15 years ago, wasn't it?
Yep.
He was working for my uncle, and...
Worst 20 years of my life.
No. I worked here for a while, and I called him because we'd worked together for so long, and I knew we worked good together. And Brooks was leaving, going to do his own thing, so me and Brooks were doing pretty good together, and I thought, well, I needed to have somebody good to work with, because everybody you can't work with, so I called Curtis and had to talk him into leaving a 20-year job, and he did.
Best decision I've ever made. And I get to work with him every day.
I mean, we laugh all the time. We ain't got many PG stories, but we work together every day, so we know what each other's basically thinking.
Yeah.
I mean, we wake up in the morning, we piss excellence, and we're ready to go. We're the A-team. You got anything to add? My favorite thing is whenever Curtis starts getting nervous, I aggravate him and make it worse, and he gets funny. And he starts stuttering everywhere and worries about everything. That's my favorite thing. I think it's Andy's too.
My favorite thing about Chris is that he's a butthead, hateful, and I like that about him, I guess.
I don't know where we'll be in 5 years. Hopefully we'll still be here running this old truck, digging out sewer lines, but
That's the plan.
it's untelling.
I'd say probably in a retirement home. Because Chris Phillips is going to break us down like a rodeo clown. Just